Hello everybody. So here is the final, and I'm very happy for this final of that Porsche 935 that I end up having to strip 3 or 4 times. It is finally done. So on this one, I tried to use the original time I did it was trying to use the decals in the kit, which were the I can't even remember. I don't even have the box anymore. But those decals completely exploded as soon as they touched water. So they were no good. Then I tried to just make it into a normal race car. And had to strip it from that because the paint ended up messing up on me on that one. So then I decided to actually go to this one. And first time I tried to get the white done, it did not want to go through, and so it ended up having to be stripped again. So this car has been through the purple pond quite a few times. So this time finally it went all the way through perfectly. So I went with the Bruno's Porsche livery on it. Decals worked really good. I got these decals off of somebody who just prints them on the side, and they actually did pretty well. They're very thin, but the good thing is that I was putting them on white, so it didn't mess up too much on it. As you can see, if you watch these vents go around, that one there, I did put a mesh in there. So those are normally blanked out, but there's a mesh in there. There's only one mirror in the kit. I lost one of the door handles, so it only has the one. For the hood, the trunk lid, deck lid, whatever you want to call it, it has that mesh as well, which ends up looking pretty cool. Buff. So there you can actually see the motor and all that detail on there. I put one coat of clear on this, wet sanded it, and used Novus 2 on it, give it a nice buff. I did kind of go a little too far right there on that Hurley Haywood. It did kind of lighten it out. And it don't take long, so by the time you see it, it's too late. So I think that's the only place I messed up on this one. End up missing a couple interior parts. I end up just not using them, or end up just making something out of scratch and put in its place. I think the gear shifter ended up just grabbing a push pin, cutting that, and gluing it into place. Actually looked better than what was in the kit anyhow. And but that's it for this one. Thank goodness it's finally done. So let me know how it ended up doing. I guess I probably should show you the bottom real quick. Not a whole hell of a lot to that bottom. Just a flat piece. I'll show you the motor real quick. I didn't wire this motor because it's just like a block. Very lack of detail on that one. So there she is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I'm happy to get it done. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.